Ali. Understand. Presentation is thinking way and you are rude to change your thinking way. In order to improve your presentation, you should keep on considering and following basic rules. Presentation development ability applied to any kind communication. Obtain it as fundamental ability.
Presentation is made to convince audience and make appropriate decision or actions.
For decision or action audience want to 1. Know goal and benefit 2. Understand what to do 3. Reason to do. But the difficulties are in defining goal and benefit, what to do of and reason for take actions from audience standpoint. To express your idea and convince other you need 180-degree change of your way of thinking.
All the greatest persons makes people move by simple words. Crystallization of the message is a eternal and artistic work. Keep in mind these 3 perspectives. Number 1. Understandable level. What do you want to make of your audience understand? Number 2. Convincible level. What you want to make your audience convince of. Number 3. Emotional level. What do you want to make of your audience understand? If you are a doctor of the company and you need to fully inform the patient, can you believe the doctor who 1. On tells the result 2. Use technical words 3. Explain too much, but never let's tell exact solution. What information do you expect from the doctor?
Name and nature of the disease. Bad effect of the disease. Root cause. Alternative and recommendations.
And also, preventative behavior changes, etc.
Hi. My name is Ali. I'm looking for help. Who can help me? I want to learn presentation skills. How to do board presentation effectively. I want to learn smart and crisp tricks. How to overcome.
Hi Ali. My name is SBR. How can I help you? I understand. Many people have this genuine problem. Are you really want to overcome from this problem? I'll share with you 5 easy steps that helps you. Before going forward, you have to understand that presentation is not just a skill. It's a 1. Thinking way. 2. Have basic rules. 3. Develop fundamental ability. Now, come to the point. What presentation skill is and why so much important? Learn based on 3W1H tip. What presentation skill is? It's our understanding. As we can see our reflection in running water. It's a thinking way. As a mindset you have to make. It's our approach. As convince audience for actions. It's our expression. As express your idea or view to convince others. Why? Presentation required. To share the idea and thoughts in crux and crisp points like 1. Actual nature of things 2. Root cause and effect 3. Alternative and recommendation 4. Behavior change. How to improve presentation skill in simple and effective ways. As presentation skill is a most important skill. Share crux and crisp thoughts. How to improve. 5 simple steps or tools. What you can do to become much more presentable in this session today. Step 1 is confidence. Be confident always. while in the presentation room. How? Follow these rules. Your confidence wins half of the war. 1. Make it like an open discussion with audience. 2. Keep clear tone of voice and smiling face. 3. Make direct eye contact with each person in the room. 4. Think about your audience, not about you. 5. Keep asking questions in between your presentation to build up communication. Step 2. Proper research. Do proper homework. How? Follow these rules. Do proper research and make live demo before going to presentation room. How? 1. Make a deep on-paper research. 2. Make a plan for your time schedule accordingly. 3. Keep it in simple language. 4. Make it easy as audience can read and understand properly. 5. Verify your content for duplicate and irrelevance words. 6. Work on questions which could be asked you from audience. Step 3. Be numerical. 1. Prepare your first slide more eye-catchy and engaging. 2. Use numbers, rather using bullet points. 3. Use very limited animations and sound effects, if any. 4. Use points for explanation. No paragraph. 5. Always choose a simple and classy design according to topic. Step 4. Be comfortable. During presentation, be comfortable. How? 1. Never be late. Reach before 15 minutes and have a quick go-through. 2. Make a strong opening with related fact or question. 3. Have a big smile on your face. Always. 4. Accept the mistakes. Don't mimic. 5. Keep main points in mind. Avoid same text reading on slides. 6. Have louder voice and clear pronunciation. Step number 5. Gesture and posture. Control your motions and body language. How? 1. Stand on comfortable distance from audience and presentation board. 2. To make positive impact, have face with smile and confidence. 3. Formal dress code more impressive. 4. Keep head high and spine straight. Don't slouch. 5. Control your hands movement. Use it as pointer. Use these 5 simple steps or tools to become much more presentable and creative in the boardroom. To make everything impressive and memorable, always use recap. We learn the 5 simple steps of presenting. Here recap. Step 1, confidence. The winning formula. Step 2, research. Proper paper-based research. Step 3, be numerical. Create height impact. Step 4, be comfortable. Step 5, body language. Successful presentation elements. Preparation. Presentation mode. Audience. Language and delivery. Non-verbal communication and feedback. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do like, share and comments on SBR Studio. Don't forget to support us. Hit the subscribe button below.